Okay. First, let's put that on that mode. Second, Nikon Coolpix, the P1000. Just got the last one from one of the Best Buys here in Jersey. I had to hurry up and get it before they sold out of them. This might be a short video because there's really not much to show here except for the camera. I got some accessories. I got these from Crutchfield on sale for $35 each. Normally about $50. The extra batteries. And the 128 gigabyte SD card. Got that from Amazon. I think it was like 50 bucks. Pretty good price. Now, this puppy. So, my moon pictures came out pretty good with my Sony. That was a 50x optical. This is 125x. It's a significantly difference. It's gonna be a lot better. Here's the instructions and all that fun stuff. Alright. I'm sure there's like 85 different languages in here. Oh, only 3. Okay. Pretty cool. Big book. And now here it is. The big boy. Maybe we'll see Endor with this thing. What do you think? Yeah? See how they're doing? Maybe we can zoom in. We'll try it out later. Hold that. Mr. Backpack Ewok, here to help again. He helped last time with one of the other things I did. Very quiet. USB cable, micro USB. Got the ferrite. He is the accessory guy. He can't read too well, so we'll just keep those there. He likes to play with stuff like that. Oh, it's the charger. Okay. So here's the charger. We got where's the output? There we go. 5 volts, 1 amp. Okay, so just like I did on my Sony, I would use a lot with my power banks. When I was out shooting a lot, I would just use the micro USB port from the power bank to the camera. So I could charge it and use it at the same time, which is pretty convenient. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, that's it. Let's put this aside. This looks like it is that thing. It's the ring thing. Burger King. Yeah, we got the battery. This should be the same ones I got here. 7.2 volt, 1100. So I got a couple extra ones. Crutchfield had them on sale, which is nice. Nice to get things cheaper. Look at that. Identical. I went with the Nikon ones. I didn't want to go with the aftermarket. Didn't want to take a chance. Didn't have much success in the past with them. So we can play three battery Monty. Which one's the real one? Okay. And what everybody came here to see. Yeah, you're big. Actually, not as heavy as you would think, considering the size. Fancy. So we got little attachments here. Let's do that again. Yeah, it looks like that comes off. I have to read some stuff. And the microphones, a little speaker probably right here. I think that's what that is. I'll know when I play with it. Okay, battery here, SD card here. Pretty much standard on a lot of these cameras. Same setup there. The lens though, you don't like glass. That is a lot of glass. That's crazy. Not sure how the picture quality is going to be. I'll have to test it and find out. Put the straps on it, so I don't want to drop this thing. Okay, I'll get the little external microphone thing here. That's just convenient. You can add an extra mic. Say excuse me. Micro HDMI. There's the USB. That looks like it's a video. Oh, it's not. I don't know what the hell that is actually. The picture looks like a mouse, but I don't think you hook up a mouse to a camera, so I don't know exactly what that is. That might be some other wireless control. Oh, I do have the Nikon Bluetooth controller on order, so that's going to be much better when it's on the tripod, so it doesn't wobble when I'm trying to zoom. Because when you're in that far in any little movement, the moon is going to be like all over the place. I don't know where the microphones are. I hope it has stereo mics. They might be in here. I'm assuming here and here, but again, I'll find out when I actually play with this. That shouldn't be straight. Yeah, that's a digital viewer. So that's pretty much it. Get the camera, battery, charger. You got Burger King hat. Sorry, Ewok. You understand, right? Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Clips on there. Look at that. Little hood. Cool. And that going to, oh, twofer. Nice. Oops. There we go. And give me that strap. USB cable. So the only thing I have to get now is a little bag, a big bag. And I keep the little extra batteries. I'm gonna charge everything up, pop the card in. And no card, so you will have to buy a card, otherwise you're not taking pictures. Yeah, I don't think it comes with anything like that. So there's your Nikon P1000, 125x optical zoom. Which is 24 to 3000, 4K video, I think at 30 frames. I watched a lot of videos before I bought this thing, and I hope I'm not disappointed with the picture quality. My Sony was 4 years old, so I have to assume this is going to be a little better. That was the DSC HX400V. No problems with that camera, but now I can see a pimple on an alien's ass on Mars from this thing, from Jersey. Or his planet, or his moon, Endor, right? He's not too excited. Must have been a rough day. So there it is.